The source data, which is specified here on the Definedoc, is different than the input dataset. The distinction is that the input datasets are the datasets that will be used in generating the documentation, the Define.XML, Define.PDF data definition. However, the source data specified here is usually the operational data, such as case report form data, that may have been used to derive the input datasets that are being documented. Now, these source datasets are used in a sense that if the same variables exist in the source datasets as compared to the input dataset, the origin column within the documentation will be defaulted to source as compared to derived. So in order to define what the source data is, you would locate and define where it's located, either on the server or in the path to those data sets. So you would just click on this ... button to navigate to that path, or you can just type in the name of the path to the source data. So after this has been defined and specified, when you edit your defined documentation, the column dealing with origin here will be defaulted with the proper values, such as source if it matches with the source data path, or derive. It's ultimately up to the user to finally define this value, but the default value is derived from looking into what the source data sets are.